Looking for a budget friendly handmade chocolate gift hamper that melts hearts? Stay with me till the end to see how I turned leftover tape circle into a stunning surprise. And the best part, it's super easy, super cheap, and super cute. So don't blink because this idea is going to blow your mind. And maybe your diet too. It's perfect for birthdays, Valentines, or just to surprise someone with a sweet treat. Let's create something sweet and special together. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. If you love paintings, creative DIYs, crafts, fun ideas, storytelling, and simple tutorials, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I read every comment and it makes me so happy to see your support. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's be creative buddies. In this video, I'll show you how to make a beautiful chocolate gift hamper using just a leftover tape circle, some chocolates, a few simple materials, and a whole lot of love. It's super easy, budget friendly, and looks amazing like a store bought gift box. Let's see how it's done. Alright, let's get started. Before I eat all the chocolates myself, grab your materials, play this video, and craft along with me. Seriously, this project is so fun and satisfying. Here's what you need: one leftover tape circle. Yes, the cardboard part you usually throw away. Assorted chocolates, any kind you love, but the shinier the better. A gum stick. Oh no, not the chewing gum, it's glue stick. A red ribbon because red means love. A piece of golden net or mesh. This will make everything look fancy. And your magical hands too. That's it, simple. Right. First, take your leftover tape circle. This will be the base of our gift. Now apply glue all around the outer edge of the circle using a gum stick. Take your glue stick and apply it all around the outer edge. Be generous, but don't drown it. We want the chocolates to stick, not swim. But if your glue stick is old and dry, well, time to say goodbye and get a new one. One by one, stick your chocolates around the circle. Make sure they are evenly spaced and nicely pressed. Now comes the fun part, chocolate time. Stick each chocolate around the circle one by one. It's like giving the circle a chocolate necklace. Make sure they are evenly shaped. If you are still watching, thank you. You are officially my favorite person. Please hit the like button, leave a sweet comment, and press the bell icon so you never miss a creative idea from my channel. Now take some scrap paper, twist and crumble it, and fill the center of the chocolate ring. This will create a strong base. Now let's fill the center and stuff it inside the circle. This gives our gift a strong base. Now the real party begins. Pour in all your colorful candies. Make it rain. The more variety, the better. Now place the whole thing in the center of your golden net. Lift the sides and gather them like a pouch. Wrap softly, carefully, and full of love. This is why I choose red ribbon. It pops beautifully with gold. So elegant. What more do we need? This makes it look full and festive. Place the whole chocolate ring inside a golden net. Gently lift the mesh and shape it like a pouch. This is why I choose a red ribbon. It pops beautifully with gold. Tie the red ribbon Tie the red ribbon around the mesh and make a cute bow. It's already looking like a premium gift. Tie the red ribbon around the net and make a cute bow. This is the moment where your gift says, I'm ready for the red carpet. Make sure the bow is tight and neat. If it's messy, just say it's abstract art. That always works. It's already looking like a premium gift hamper. If the top of the net looks like a wild hairstyle, don't worry. Just take your scissors and give it a little haircut. Shape it nicely so it looks clean and professional. Just trim it with scissors to give it a neat shape. And here's our final chocolate gift hamper. Handmade, heart-made, and HKPassion approved. Let's look at it from every angle. Is not it perfect for gifting? Try it today and gift it to your loved ones. And share your version with me in the comments. And tada! Beautiful gift hamper is ready. Handmade, heart-made, and HKPassion approved. Let's look at it from every angle left, right, top, bottom. Is not it gorgeous? You can gift it to your best friends, family, or just keep it for yourself.